When it came to this event, I didn't really have to think twice about buying it actually. I just knew as soon as he was having an event, I was going to come because I've been working with Kurt and consuming his strategies and using them for myself and my clients for months now. So as soon as I heard that the event would be happening, I wanted to be here. My one key takeaway from this event is that the way ads are being run are basically outdated, and 99% of programs will teach you outdated ad strategies, and they also focus on the wrong metrics. So the key takeaway from this event was essentially I don't want to say right way, but the more effective way to run ad campaigns, and also to kind of revive ones that are not working so well. Yeah, if someone was thinking about working with Kurt or buying his program or attending the workshop, I would overwhelmingly recommend him. He's dramatically changed my business within the last year, changed the way I've done everything, and it's resulted in a massive improvement in results. So I can't say enough good things about him, and just what a huge difference he's made, and then not just with ad strategy, but with mindset, everything, like dealing with clients, all that kind of stuff.